Now that we've created our project, we want to start building how we're going to organize our plan. Let's say we're going to eventually use this to plan a number of different hikes. And so we want to be able to plan this initial version of the hike. So what we're going to do is to create a release, effectively a version of the hike that we're going to plan against. So I'm going to go over here on the left side of the menu and click on Releases, and it asks me if I want to go ahead and create a version to start collecting the different kinds of things that I'll need to have to plan the first version of this hike. And I'm going to go ahead and create a version, and I'm going to give it a number. I'm going to say this is hike version 1.0, let's say. I'm going to put in a start date of today, and let's say I am planning this hike for March the 27th. So I'm going to set that as my release date, and maybe I'll just put in a description, initial version of waterfall hike, because maybe I'm planning to do this hike a number of different times, and so I want to be able to do the initial plan for the first time I do the hike, and then potentially add more things as I learn about other kinds of capabilities I might want for subsequent hikes. So now I'll go ahead and save this versioning information, and notice it's now created a release, and when I go and I plan my individual work, I can associate that particular work with this particular release. You can, of course, create multiple releases as you wish. Maybe I have a second planned rollout that I want to do, or a second planned hike I want to do. So if I want to create a second version of the hike that I'm going to do later on, I can maybe start that today, but maybe the actual date when we're going to actually go on the second hike is April the 30th. And so we'll plan for the second release to happen the day that I'm going to be doing that second version of the hike. And so you can create any number of releases or sub-releases as you see fit. But this can be a very useful technique for helping us to organize the different issues that we want to work, and when we need or have a sufficient number of those issues in place that we can plan for an actual release and go take our hike.